I was going to ask you a question about these politics, but if you'll forgive a personal question, I'd rather do that. Here you are, a young person, an avid runner. You still have this illness. Can you believe, based on what you had, that there is any kind of a debate about moving, shifting stats, ignoring recommendations by the CDC, people who would do anything but everything in their power to avoid getting what you got?
No, Brian, it's extremely tragic. But, you know, the reality is that what we're seeing is an entirely political response to something that should not be political. It's a national crisis. And there's a constant tension in politics, in a democracy, where politicians, they exist to be elected, but they are also public servants. And this is a White House that is uninterested in serving the public. They only seem to work and exist to serve the president and the politics of the moment and whatever works for them. We've got over 130,000 deaths in this country because of that. And I think my frustration is that not only that people don't understand how dangerous this virus can be and how even if you do survive it, as I thank God did, you can deal with months of illness from it and really not feel like yourself. But my frustration is that Americans need to realize the reason we cannot open the economy and schools in a straightforward fashion is because we don't have a national testing and tracing program. And that is because of the president of the United States. He has failed on this, and Americans are on their own. And each state has been left to its own devices. And really, it's going to take us years to recover from it. It's heartbreaking. It's hard to see the country like this. And the rest of the world is looking on us with pity.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.